Lordship.
जी
Lordship, this petition is being filed against the order, interlocutory order of Principal and Judge 4th Family Court, Bhopal. Lordship, where I've been deprived of right to talk and to meet with my daughter, Your Lordship.
डॉटर
Lordship, my daughter is in custody of the wife, and they are not allowing me to even talk to her on phone.
एनेक्चर
Sir, order?
एनेक्चर P1
Yes, sir.
क्या लिखा है पढ़ते हैं?
Lordship, I have filed an application under section 12 of Guardian Ward,
हाँ ठीक
where,
क्या
where
लिखा
I
है?
have
क्या पढ़ते
requested for interim custody.
हैं? एक सेकंड हो गया.
Sir, page number 24. Sir.
Guardians and WhatsApp please issue notice to the respondents on payment of PF by registered AD post within 7 days, returnable 4 weeks. आप खुद ही हैं पीयूष
Sir,
उपाध्याय?
मैं खुद
रखना चाहते हैं अपनी पत्नी को?
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल सर.
लिखिएगा. श्री पीयूष उपाध्याय submits that he is willing to keep his wife and maintain her properly.
Even I have given the application also.
Please wait.
Sorry.
In view of such submission made by the petitioner in person, जब in person appear person, comma, it is requested that if respondent number 3 is interested in mediation, then she may personally appear for court assisted mediation along with respondent number 4 on the next date of hearing. List this case on 6 फरवरी 2024.
Lordship, one more request. If you,
हाँ बताइए.
Lordship, one request is that I must maybe allowed to talk with my daughter on call or video call.
उनको आने तो दीजिए.
So that,
अगर आप अच्छी तरीके से कंडक्ट करेंगे, रखने को तैयार है, वो मान जाएंगी तो आपको अपनी बेटी को लेके जाइएगा यहाँ से. ठीक है वकील
at
साहब.
least I must.
इस जल्दीबाजी में कहीं आपका नुकसान ना हो जाए.
I just want to talk to her phone, video call, nothing else.
आने तो दीजिए उनको.
I'll bless.
आपने वो मेंटेनेंस के एरियर्स वगैरह भर दिए नहीं भरे अभी? ऐसा ना हो कि जेल जाना पड़े आपको. 125(3) में प्रावधान उसमें लिखा है आदेश में कि आपने दिए नहीं. कितने दिन के एरियर्स है?
Sir, that is around 1 year.
आप उसको जमा कर दीजिए 15 दिन में. ठीक है, तब मुलाकात हो पाएगी.
So the case was filed as an vendetta, sir.
छोड़िए उस
I mentioned everything in the case.
छोड़िए उसको, भूल जाइए. कितने दिन में एरियर्स जमा करेंगे? कहीं ऐसा ना हो मीडिएशन तो दूर, कहीं जेल ना जाना पड़े आपको. 15 दिन में जमा कर दीजिए. श्री Piyush Upadhyay undertakes to clear the arrears of maintenance within 15 days by depositing the same before the concerned family court at Bhopal.